Hey guys, what if I told you that a competitor to Amazon, Microsoft, and Google was going to file for an IPO this year? Would this get you excited? I mean, for me, it would. And that's because a lot of these companies have shown some great performance and great increases in their stock price. Stick around. In this video, we'll discuss what that one stock or one company is and whether or not you should care. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Romel, and on the channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We discuss mindset, strategies, techniques, and resources to help you in your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We produce new content every week. Alright guys, before I get started in talking about this one company, one of the things that I do every week is I tell you what stocks I'm currently adding to my portfolio. Last week, I didn't get a chance to make a video to tell you what stock I added to my portfolio, so in this video, I'll give you a quick recap. Last week, I added 5G ETF, ticker symbol FIVG, to my Robinhood portfolio. I bought 5 shares of this company at around $160. Apart from that, I added $100 to my M1 Finance account. Being that it's towards the end of August, I'm due for an update in my M1 Finance portfolio. So stick around in the coming days, sometime around end of August or early September, I'll give you guys an update and show you how my M1 Finance portfolio is doing. If you don't know what it is, M1 Finance is a cross between a robo-advisor, and robo-advisor being a platform that basically auto invests for you, and a traditional brokerage where you pick your stocks. So M1 Finance is kind of a hybrid between those two. It's very easy to use. You basically pick the stocks that you want in your portfolio, you assign a certain percentage to each stock, and then you just contribute money to that portfolio, and M1 Finance does the rest. Alright guys, so what is this one company that everyone is calling a Microsoft, Amazon, and Google competitor? Well, to start, this company wasn't actually something that I came across by myself. One of the people in my comments actually brought this to light. And so thank you for bringing this company to my attention. Upon looking into this looks like a very, very promising company. All right, and that company is Snowflake. If you've seen in the last week, Snowflake has recently filed to go public. It's recently filed to do an IPO. And it actually was supposed to IPO sometime in August, but now it looks like it's going to IPO sometime in either September or October. So what is Snowflake and why should you care? According to an article by Motley Fool, Snowflake is a cloud data management company. The company provides data warehouse technology that helps businesses store and manage data in the cloud. And according to them, it puts them in direct competition with some of the biggest infrastructure partners, such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. So those are all big names in the industry. Whether or not you're into stocks or investing, you definitely have heard of those companies before. So being that this company is getting compared to those giants is a good sign. Apart from that, let's talk about some of the valuations of the company and how they've been doing in the last year. For the fiscal year ended January 31st, 2020, Snowflake reported a revenue of nearly $265 million. That's up 173% year over year. The company kept its growth for the first 6 months with a revenue of $242 million, up 133%, while trimming its losses to $171 million, which is actually down from $177 million in the prior year. So now let's talk about their customer base. According to this article, customers grew 2,392 in the last fiscal year, which means that they were up 169% from the previous year. For the first 6 months of this year, it says that the customer base doubled to 3,117, while those providing $1 million in revenue grew up to 56, up 155%. Additionally, existing customers were spending 58% more this year than last. So as you can see, it's a great company. If you actually look on their website, one of the cool things about Snowflake is that you pay for the amount of data or memory that you're using. So if you go online, you could take a look at their website. They also have YouTube videos that really go over all of the Snowflake architectures, concepts, and workflows. They really go into depth and show you how you use Snowflake and how it might be beneficial to your company. Apart from that, they have a lot of big name customers that are using their platform, and they also have some big partnerships as well. One thing I would like to clarify is that this channel isn't just about IPOs. The reason that this past couple of videos have been about IPOs was because I truly believe that the companies that are going to go public are companies worth mentioning. We are going to be talking about different topics, but IPOs right now is one of the hot things because there's a lot of companies that are filing. And for investors that are looking to get great returns on their money, investing in a company when it first launches or goes public can be one of the best times. It's not always the best time, but if it's a company that you believe in and if it's a company that you understand, then getting in early is one of the best things that you could do for yourself and for your money. A lot of people wish they were investing in Apple when they were under $100. A lot of people wish they were investing in Tesla when they were under $100 or under $50 as well. Same thing goes for Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all the big names. So if this is a company that a lot of people are comparing to those, tech giants, then I'm not saying that they are going to be as successful, but it begs the question, what is it that makes them this interesting? In this video, we discussed some of the metrics that have made them successful, such as, how much money and revenue they've been making, the increase in customer database and, customers that they've been seeing on their platform. I think this company does have potential. I'd like to look into them a little bit further. I'd like to understand when they're actually going to go public, what price they're going to go public at. One thing that you should know is that they have filed to go public under the ticker symbol SNOW, so Snow, which kind of makes sense because the company is named Snowflake, so it just makes sense that if you're going to invest in Snowflake, you'll invest in Snow. Another good thing to understand is that Snowflake does have some pretty big name investors that are currently backing them, such as Dragoneer Investment Group, Salesforce Ventures, Sequoia, Iconic Capital, Altimeter Capital, Redpoint Ventures, and Sutter Hill Ventures. The two biggest investments are by Dragoneer Investment Group and Salesforce Ventures, which led the latest round of funding in February 2020, which helped raise $479 million. All right, guys, that was just a quick video regarding this company. Let me know what you guys think. Is Snowflake a company that you're going to be investing in? And if so, what makes this company attractive to you and your portfolio? Let me know some of the metrics you're looking at, some of the news you've heard, or some of the features that you really like about this company. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support really goes a long way to helping this channel grow. Also, if you know someone that would get value out of this video, feel free to share this video with them and, tell them about our channel, tell them about what we talk about, and, if it works out, hopefully they come back. All right, guys, if you're looking to connect with me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave links in the description down below as well. Feel free to reach out to me. I read all the comments. I read all your messages. I love the engagement. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.